Okay, that's 37 miles to the Dover turnoff and then 85 more to Newfield.
Well, that ought to put us there just about lunchtime.
How much are we dropping off?
About half load.
Daddy, I need to know exactly for my report.
Check the log book.
That hitchhiker. I know him. I know who he is, Daddy. That hitchhiker I was talking about.
Who's that?
He was at Erasmus's house. He ate Thanksgiving dinner with us.
You mean the parole officer, Andrew?
He's not a parole officer. I know who he is, Daddy. Nathaniel told me. He's an angel and he takes people back. He took Nathaniel's mama.
Maybe it's just a strong resemblance.
No, it's him. I know it's him. And every time those angels come, something terrible happens.
Dinah, that's just not true.
Daddy! Afraid.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a sprinkling for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change.